Why hire us for CCTV security system installation? You may come across many companies that provide a CCTV camera installation in Kochi, but we understand our clients' requirements and provide custom solutions for better safety. We guarantee a robust system that will work for a longer period than other systems in the market, as we have been in the field for more than a decade in Kochi. We want to assure you that you are in good hands when it comes to security installation while working with us for your surveillance requirements. With the latest technology and specialized team of CCTV experts, you can be confident that you're well protected all the time. Give us a call and talk to one of our technicians for further details and get a custom code after we evaluate your facility. While hiring a professional security system installer in any city across the state of Kerala, here are a few tips you need to keep in mind. Ensure that they explain the working mechanism of the camera system installed. Do not forget to ask for product warranty. Check if all products installed in the system are 100% genuine and original. Beware of duplicates and fraudulent products. Make sure that the security systems use the latest technology for future upgrades. Choose an installer who can provide maintenance and repair over the longer period of time. Ensure that the company is professional and easy to deal. Ensure that the provider has experience in similar projects earlier. Last but not the least, make sure that the company has a good reputation and a good clientele. We are certified specialists for CCTV camera installation in India. There are multiple kinds of services we offer for residential and commercial clients across the country, especially in Kochi, Kerala. Here a short list of solutions to ensure we cover all risky situations in your life, no matter what. CCTV camera installation. We provide residential and commercial security camera installations. Majority of homeowners believe that security systems are for commercial building, but cameras provide security and protection even for residential building and complexes. Cameras can be installed at every entry and exit points, interior or exterior. We cater to all requirements and our systems can be customized to meet your requirements. CCTV camera repair. From IP cameras to analog camera systems, we can help you in repairing your already installed security camera systems. Even if you have to take measure to avoid any repair to your system, there might be scenarios where the components may stop working. This may be due to a short circuit or even a sudden surge of power due to lightning. This may be due to a short circuit or even a sudden surge of power due to lightning. In such cases, you might not need to replace the entire system, but the part of it which is damaged. Our CCTV repair team can evaluate these damages and give you the right recommendations to fix the issues. Our CCTV repair team can evaluate the damages and give you the right recommendations to fix the issues. CCTV camera system maintenance. Most of our clients inquire about maintenance services for installed systems when they have experienced frequent repairs with previous installations. Our camera systems are installed with high quality devices that require less maintenance when compared to others. Even though we assure the quality, we also provide top-notch maintenance services so that our customers can have peace of mind and not worry about damages caused by external factors like power fluctuations and lightning. Our motto is to provide maximum value to all our customers who avail our services.